Hi, my name is Mary and welcome to Marino Library Storytime. My story for you today is called The Train Driver by Kunak McGann and the pictures are done by Greg Massardier. Are you ready to begin? Okay, let's go. Now, do you see this little panda here? That's what he looks like, so look out for him in the story, won't you? Dara lived near a railway bridge. He loved to watch trains speed over the bridge. Whoosh! He listened to the sound. Chicka chicka, chicka chicka. Dara had toy trains and tracks. He pushed his trains over the bridge. Chicka chicka, chicka chicka. Uncle Joe told Dara all about the trains from long ago. They were called steam trains. Steam trains made a special noise. Chuff, 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 chuff. Steam came out of the top and they had a special whistle. Choo choo, choo choo. When Dara was 5, Uncle Joe gave him a special birthday present. It was a steam train. Wow, said Dara. He loved his steam train. He played with it all day. He even took it to bed with him. It was his favourite toy. One day, Dara's mum and dad were going away. They would be away for 2 whole days. Uncle Joe came to look after Dara. But Dara didn't want Mum and Dad to go away. Dara was very sad. He played with his steam train. Uncle Joe made him dinner. But Dara wasn't hungry. He had a pain in his tummy. I want Mum, he said. Where is she? Where's Dad? Poor Dara, Uncle Joe said. Don't worry. They'll be home in 2 days. Next morning, Dara was still very sad. But Uncle Joe had a special surprise for him. Come on, Dara, he said. We're going somewhere special. Where? Said Dara. Wait and see, said Uncle Joe. And off they went. Uncle Joe took Dara to the train station. Dara stood on the platform. He heard a train coming. But it didn't sound like the trains he heard every day. It was a special sound. Chuff, 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 chuff. Then he saw it, a big red steam train. He heard the whistle. Choo choo, choo choo. The steam train puffed into the station. Hooray! Shouted Dara. It stopped right in front of Dara. The driver got out. It was Uncle Joe's best friend, Ollie. Hello, Dara, said Ollie. Are you ready to be a train driver? Me? Said Dara. A driver of a steam train? Wow! Ollie lifted Dara up to the driver's seat. He put his driver's cap on Dara's head. Dara, the train driver, said Uncle Joe. Dara forgot to be sad about Mum and Dad. Ollie walked down the platform and closed all the doors. He pushed a big lever and the steam train began to move. Slowly at first, chuff, chuff, then quicker and quicker, chuff, 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 chuff. Soon the train was speeding past the fields. Whoosh! Dara waved at the cows and the sheep in the fields. Then up ahead he saw something on the tracks. It looked like a sheep. Oh no! They were going to run over the sheep. Ollie, he shouted, look out! There's a sheep on the tracks. Ollie stared out. You're right, Dara, he said. We must stop the train. You pull that cord, Dara, said Ollie. I'll pull the lever. Uncle Joe helped Dara pull hard on the cord. The whistle went, choo-choo. Ollie pulled the big lever. The train began to slow down. Dara pulled the cord again. Choo-choo. And again, choo-choo. The sheep heard the whistle at last. It looked up. It saw the train coming. It ran off the track. Wow, said Ollie. That was close. Well done, Dara, for spotting that sheep. Ollie pushed the big lever. The train began to speed up again. Chuff, 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 chuff. Dara kept a good lookout in case more sheep went on the tracks. Whoosh! The train sped along. Dara couldn't stop smiling. Uncle Joe couldn't stop smiling. This is great, said Dara. The best day ever. The next day, Dara's mum and dad came home. Dara told them all about the train and the sheep. Hey, said Dad, you'd be a great train driver, Dara. Dara was very happy. I hope I can do it again. Uncle Joe, he said, can you look after me again next week? I'll see what I can do, said Uncle Joe. The end. Did you see the panda in the book? Let me know, won't you? Bye.